wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I told you in a Let's Talk New Makeup video that I wanted to try the Juvia's Place new liquid blushes. Well, they sent me the entire collection. So I'm going to swatch the whole collection and we'll figure out which ones I want to actually use on my face. So if you guys want to know more about it, let's go. So these are the Juvia's Place Blushed Liquid Blush. This retails for $18 for 0.27 fluid ounces. Says Juvia's Place Blush Liquid Blush is a lightweight multi-use liquid blush that creates effortless radiance and a dewy finish on cheeks. So I'm guessing it comes in 12 shades. I'll swatch them all in a second. And I told you guys in that video that I feel like it was giving, you know, Rare Beauty liquid blushes. So how much did those cost again? That was 18, I just said. Let me see. The Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush is $23. They have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 13 shades for 0.25 ounces. And it says a weightless, long-lasting liquid blush that blends and builds beautifully. Listen, every time I film for the first time after not filming for a while, you would think I haven't been doing this for a while. For a soft, healthy flush, available in matte and dewy finishes. Okay, so all right, let's try to do this as quickly as possible. So first one I have here is Perky Poppy. Okay, Perky Poppy, Marigold, Coral Rose, Lily Love, Rosy Posy, Peach Rose, Dahlia, Barbie Rose, Soft Tulip, Blush Lily, Pink Lady, and last but not least is Sweet Berries. Okay, thoughts just off the swatches. Pigmented, first of all, these colors as blushes on a deeper complexion. Now I'm gonna have to try, you know, some of these lighter ones someday. The only one that struck me a little weird was this Pink Lady one. It's a little sheer, or like it's sheer compared to the other ones. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but like you can kind of see through that swatch. Where the other ones, like, you know, I didn't even have to try that hard to get, you know, pretty pigmented, opaque swatches, so. But which ones? They were, I don't remember, Lily Love, I think, and then the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna use Lily Love and Peach Rose on my actual face. Oh, okay. Ooh, all right. Okay, I toned that down a little bit, and even after toning it down, you see it on my face. I wasn't expecting that, and I'm not sure why, because like we have this conversation all the time that when it comes to, you know, black-owned brands, they don't play when it comes to pigment, yeah, for obvious reasons. But I still wasn't expecting that, but baby, it wasn't just pigmented like this on my hand. Obviously there's a swatches, so these are a lot more extreme, but I mean, if you wanted this type of payoff on your face, it's given very much so. You get that. So my thoughts on these blushes, y'all see it. Like, y'all see it on my face. It's pigmented. It did say dewy finish. Now I did tone it down, so that kind of mattified it a little bit. I don't know, it's giving pretty, you know, natural finish to me. It's not matte, but pretty natural finish to me. Which matte, dewy, I don't really care when it comes to blush. But you know, that's just what it felt like to me. But obviously, color payoff is there if you want it. I'm a little more, you know, toned down just a little bit, but it's there if you need it. The actual shades that you have to choose from are really pretty, and they clearly work on deeper complexions. Like I said, you know, we're gonna have to try some of these, but even the Rare Beauty that has shades like these pinks here. They're still very flattering on my skin tone, so I feel like these will still be very flattering on my skin tone. And you know, with blush, the thing is, like, it's not that, you know, my complexion doesn't want that type of pink, right? It's just usually from brands that shade is chalky on my skin tones. You can still wear colors like these and it look nice and flattering on your face. It just depends on the shade. But you know, it is a little bit more affordable. You know, they're like a mid-range priced brand. I like it. I like it. I wasn't expecting that, but I like it. You know, okay. I started to like blush a lot more in recent years. You know, I'm not gonna go overboard with it, but I'm certainly impressed. Actually, let me go get a Rare Beauty. So this is the Rare Beauty shade Believe swatch down here. I feel like I could have told y'all this was just another Juvia's Place blush swatched and you would have believed me. Like, it's giving the same type of formula, which is because it's supposed to be dewy and that's supposed to be, I think this is supposed to be a matte shade, but that's what I'm like, oh, they both just kind of give natural finish on the face. I don't really notice much dew. Well, you kind of notice the dew in the swatch, but on the face, like, you see how once this kind of starts to dry down, it's a little bit more just natural. But anyway, it's like the same type of coverage on here. It's not sheer either, except for this one shade. Maybe it was just acting weird. I'm just saying, you know, if you want to save a couple dollars, or if you see shades here that they don't have, or you see shades they have that they don't have, it's giving the same thing. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope seeing me swatch these blushes has helped, and seeing me try it on my face and my thoughts has helped. If you want to check it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. If there's anything else you would like a review on, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.